Hi, Brian here for Excellence Academy. Today I want to talk about multiplying fractions. Now normally you would think that adding and subtracting fraction would be way easier than multiplying fraction, but this is not the case. In this case, multiplying is far easier than adding and subtracting. I'll show you why. Let's say you've got a set of fractions, 1/3 times 1/4. And you want to find out what happens when you multiply 1/3 with 1/4. Well, all you have to do is just multiply straight across. It's super easy. So we'll bring over our fraction sign, our line, and 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 times 4 equals 12. So we'll put that on the bottom, and that's our answer. It's that easy. There's no gimmick or extra work you have to do. So let's hop into another example. What if we did 2/5 times 4/8? And we want to know what the answer to this is. Well, same thing. We're going to multiply straight across. And this is how you do all multiplication for fractions. You're going to get 8 and 40, and then you want to simplify this. This is actually the difficult part of doing fractions. You have to simplify the fractions. I usually don't do it all in one step, but this is pretty much how it works. We're going to divide here, and we have to divide the top and the bottom by the same number. So let's 8 and 40, let's do 4, shall we? Because it's pretty easy. Bring our fraction sign over here. So that's going to be 2, because 4 times 2 equals 8, and that's going to be 10, same reason. And then it looks like we can still continue to simplify this just a little bit more. So let's go ahead and divide by 2. And we're going to get 1/5, and that's our answer. Alrighty then. Now let's do one more, just to make things more difficult. Let's add a negative sign to the front of this one. Let's do 1/2, -1/2 times 2/5. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so with this negative sign, what you want to do is either move it up or down. It doesn't really matter which you do. I always move it up. It's just easier for me that way. So I'm going to go ahead and erase all of that, including the negative sign, and just move it up. So -1 times 2 is going to be -2. And then 2 times 5 is 10. And that's how you deal with negative signs in multiplying fractions. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. I'll see you next time.